In this video, I will show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Genesis Sedan key fob. This key fob was used between 2009 and 2012 and uses a CR2032 battery. Changing your internal battery is very simple and can be done at home. All you need to do is get a CR2032 battery. I left a link in the description to get one on Amazon. It's just a couple bucks and then you can follow along. The first thing we're going to do is locate this little slot on the top of the key fob. Take a flathead screwdriver, insert it into the slot, and twist. This will separate the two halves of the key fob so we can change the battery. Now the battery is in this little metal housing and you're going to need to push on the bottom here, right there, with a flathead screwdriver or similar tool until it just comes right out. Be gentle, careful not to disturb any of these components. Now get a brand new CR2032, make sure the positive side with this battery information goes up and insert it back where it came from. Push on it until it goes all the way down inside of its housing. Now if this thing pops off, it's very simple to just line it up to that edge and kind of just push it back into place. And now click the two halves of the key fob back together. And your light should come on just like that, meaning your battery has juice and you're good to go. If this video helped you, feel free to leave a like, and for more information, click the link in the YouTube description to go to fobbattery.com to see the full guide on the Hyundai Genesis Sedan. Thank you so much for watching.